The purpose of this tutorial is to walk you through a while loop. What we're going to do is take the variable a string with the value hello and print each character in turn with the while loop. Some things about a while loop first is we have our counter and we have something that we're going to compare our counter against as we increment each iteration of the while loop, and that's going to be the length of a string. Now a string has 5 characters in it, so the length of that is 5. So before we begin, we'll set up our counter. Here, initially the variable is 0. We come through on first encounter of the while loop, count is 0, which is less than 5. So we print the value of a string at index 0, which is a h. We then increment count by 1. And count now has the value 1. We go to the top of the while loop again. 1 is less than 5. We print the value of a string at index 1, which is the e, and we increment count by 1. 2 is less than 5, so we print the value of a string at index 2, which is an L, and we increment count again by 1. We go to the while loop again, the top. 3 is less than 5, which is true, so we print the character index 3 of a string, which is another L. We increment count again by 1. We go back to the top of the while loop. 4 is less than 5, which is still true, so we print the value of a string at index 4, which is an O. Increment count again by 1. Count is now 5. 5 is less than 5, that's not true. So we jump out of the while loop and return to our command prompt, having printed each character in turn of a string, H, E, L, L, O. Remembering that indexing with strings in Python begins at 0,